A little problem occurred, children, while accessing. Now let me start again. Course book page 5, okay? Fifth one, A bit, solution. Solution, and make right side one column for doing the process. Now let us write down the steps. First information will be the first step. Write down first step as the length of the cotton cloth. The length of the cotton cloth is how much? 5 meters, 60, 65 centimeters. Next, the length of the satin cloth. 3 meters 90 centimeters. 3 meters 90 centimeters. How much cloth did she buy in all? We have to find out the total length of cloth. For this purpose, we have to do the simplification right side. Like we are placing meters and centimeters. Under meters, how many meters? 5 meters. And then 65 centimeters. 3 meters, 90 centimeters. How you will do general addition? Like the same way you should start adding. Start from the last digit onwards. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 9 is how much? 15. Take as carrying part. 1 as carried forward to next place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 meters, 55 centimeters. The total length of the cloth is how much? Sorry children, here you have to put one more step like 5 meters, 65 centimeters plus 3 meters, 90 centimeters, which gives you how much? 9 meters, 55 centimeters. 9 meters, 55 centimeters. So, how much cloth did she buy in all? Therefore, she bought B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Like 5 times you say children while writing. She bought 9 meters 55 centimeters of cloth. Write down. Vignesh, are you writing? Danesh? Vishnu, you write in rough book. No problem. You write in rough book now. After you get course book, you can take down again. Are you all writing? Akshat, are you writing? Srikar, rub that and take down like this. David, Ronak, Shrita, on your videos. Sanvi, Vishwaksen, Jaiskandan, Mirza, Advit, Ayan, on your videos, children. Rajasai Manikanta, Adya. Completed, Vignesh? Arham, completed? Okay. Shall we go to next one, children? Okay, let me read the question. Anybody want to try? Vishnu, we don't have course book, no? Shrestha, read the question.
Aditya
Hmm.
travels 6 kilometers 4 meters
100 meters.
100 meters
WHILE, while.
while Rohan
Hmm.
travels 3 kilometers
Hmm.
550 meters
Hmm.
to
Ananya,
reach
keep it aside.
to reach
Hmm.
their office
Very good.
home
Who?
who travels
Huh.
more
Uh.
and
Hmm.
by how much?
That's all. And by how much? Now let me read the question again. Arham, do you want to read the question? Read.
Aditya travels 6 kilometers 400 meters
Read
while
the
Rohan
question, Shrestha. All of
while
you, listen the
while
question. Arham is reading there. Okay, start reading.
Aditya travels 6 kilometers 400 meters while Rohan travels 6 kilometers 550 meters to reach their office. Who travels more and by how much?
Very good. Now, did you understand the question, Arham?
Yes.
Tell me, according to the question, what is the process you have to apply here? How did you find out the process if you know? What process to be applied?
Addition.
Addition. You want to apply addition? See, let me give you one example for it, children. For this, I'm going to give you one example. Look at the board, all of you. See, my question, my example is, look at the board, all of you. Don't write anything. I have taken two line segments. I have taken two line segments. Line segment 1 is of 4 centimeters length. Okay. One more line segment I am going to take which is of 6 centimeters length. Now tell me which is more? Yashasvi?
6. Ma'am, 6
Line, this is line segment 2 and this is line segment 1. Tell me which is more?
2.
Line 2 is more than line 1, line segment 1. Now tell me by how much it is more?
6 centimeter.
Not like that. Do you have 4 centimeters in 6 centimeters also?
No.
No.
Yes.
Let me explain. See, children, I have taken one line segment which is of 4 centimeters. Okay. Now one more line segment I am going to take which is of 6 centimeters. This is line 1 and this is line 2. Okay. Now you all know that line segment 2 is more than line segment 1. See, let me write like line 2 is greater than line 1. Okay. This is based on our question. Answer for one thing you got to know by just measuring them, right? By measuring them, you got to know, by comparing them, you got to know which one is bigger, right? 6 centimeters is greater than 4 centimeters. For one question, you got the answer. Next question is by how much it is bigger. How much it is bigger? 6 centimeters is how much bigger than 4 centimeters? Vishnu. 6 centimeters is how much bigger than 4 centimeters?
4 centimeters is equal. Ma'am, 4 centimeters is equal to 40.
No, you cannot able to
40
answer this kind of questions, children. Okay, you raise your 6 fingers. Vishnu, you raise your 6 fingers. Show me your 6 fingers here. Now, Danesh, you show your 4 fingers. Now, children, look at Danesh and Vishnu. Danesh raised 4 fingers and Vishnu raised 6 fingers. Okay, Vishnu raised 6 fingers. Hmm. Vignesh, tell me who raised more fingers? Who is having more number of fingers there? Vishnu or Danesh? Yes? Vishnu raised how many fingers? Can you able to see Vishnu there?
Ma'am, Vishnu.
How many fingers he raised?
6.
Okay, Danesh raised. Danesh, put it constant. How many fingers
Ma'am,
he raised, Danesh?
4 fingers.
4 fingers. Okay, who is having more fingers now? Then Vishnu, put it properly. Who is having more number of fingers? Who raised more number of fingers?
Vishnu.
How many fingers are more with him?
2.
Very good. That answer I need. That means whichever is less no, that you should subtract. Okay, whichever is less no, you should subtract 4 fingers from 6 fingers. Now close 4 fingers, Vishnu, so that 2 fingers will be left over. That means here you are subtracting 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. Here also 2 centimeters. By how much it is more? By how much line segment 2 is more? By 2 centimeters it is more, right? Means here first we are comparing and then we are subtracting. Two things you have to remember here. What are those? First we are comparing and then we are subtracting. Okay, children. Now let's go to B bit again. Let me read the question again here. Aditya travels 6 kilometers, 400 meters, while Rohan travels 3 kilometers. Look at the book, Sanvi. It's page 5, B bit. You people have to put your fingers while I'm reading so that you also will be able to read faster. Aditya travels 6 kilometers, 400 meters, while Danesh, look at the book. Aditya travels 6 kilometers, 400 meters, while Rohan travels 3 kilometers, 550 meters to reach their office. Who travels more and by how much? Here, first we have to compare. If we compare 6 kilometers, 400 meters, and 3 kilometers, 550 meters, tell me which one is more? Who travels more? Abhignesh?
Meters.
Huh?
6 kilometers.
6 kilometers, 400 meters is more, right? Aditya. Who travels that much distance? By Aditya, right? He asked who travels more. So you should not write 6 kilometers, 400 meters. That distance is traveled by whom? Aditya, right? Aditya travels more, you have to write. First thing is that thing. And next you have to go to subtraction process. Now let us do that. Time is up, children. Tomorrow we'll do the next word problem. Okay? I'll give you some homework part. I'll think and I'll give you the homework part based on this. Okay? Okay, children. Bye. Have a nice day. You have next class to attend, right? Bye, children.
ఏం చేస్తున్నావు